Good morning, my beautiful people. Guess what? Today is a good day. Y'all, today is a good day. Happy Sunday to you all. Guys, today in this video, I don't know if we're going to have tea time. I don't know if we're going to have, what do? I do a little, before I start the video, I don't know. I got a couple of projects that I'm going to be doing today. And if you guys are interested in seeing the little projects, then keep on watching. Keep on watching. Keep on watching. I put things up yesterday, so today I'm going to be putting up all of my little essentials that I bought, so let's get busy. So down here, guys, I have all of my little things that we, wash and stuff. So I'm going to be putting the raw sugar here. It's going to be going, let me move my curlers that I never hardly really use. Right now I don't. But we're going to go ahead and put our spray back, and we're going to add our raw sugar back here with the native. So both of these are the washes. These are the soaps. This is the raw hand soap. And then let's put these back. These are just cotton swabs. So I'm just trying to show you guys where I put everything. So this is like my little stash. This is the Method. This is that toothpaste that we found. And here's like everything else. So now I have these products left. So I'm gonna add, this is my new deodorant. So I'm gonna put that in here. Let's see, behind my other deodorant. Hold on, y'all. Just doing some little things, y'all. So this is my old native one. And what I'm gonna do is put this one, the new one, I'm gonna put that one here. And then we'll put that one here. I already remember to use that. So guys, this is the drawer for my skin stuff. So what I will do is, let me see, I'll take this coconut oil, push that back. This is random, so I will put that here. But I'm trying to find room for my Carol's, what is this, the pomade? I'm gonna put that here since I do have my my brush right here when I take these braids out. So we'll put that there and just set this here. And then all we have left is his deodorant. So we'll put his up. So basically I'm just gonna rotate it. I'm gonna bring this one because this is the old one, and we'll put the new one back there, and then we'll put this one here. So that's it, guys. I did all that. That's done. That is done. And that is done. Just sharing in my day, putting things away that I did score on Friday. So that's done. So guys, I'll see you in another clip of the video. All right, y'all, I'm gonna keep saying this until y'all get it. So, and all you do, this is just my tea time today, and all you do in things in life in general, do it with love and compassion. Do it with love. It will help you. If anything, it's gonna help you. You think it's like, oh, I'm just being stupid for people, and I'm just looking like, oh my God, people can run over me. You don't get your credit here, you get your credit up there. This is not our home. This is not our home, y'all. This is not where we're gonna stay forever. We're not gonna stay in this body forever. So with all that you do, every day, do it with love. That's my tea time today. So guys, if I have not told you this, I'm gonna tell you right now. I love you. Love yourself. You right here, yeah, you. Love yourself, so that you'll be able to love others. So guys, I'm gonna just show you today what some things I'm gonna be doing. So yesterday, I showed you guys the flower pot. This is the flower pot that I sprayed. Now, some of the stuff, some of it like got over to, it doesn't matter. It still looks very, very chic. It looks like it's like, you know, 3 tones, but it's not. It just, it ran over and bled into that. But I absolutely like it. So this is the one that I told you guys I was gonna be repotting. So the part that's not bled over is this part, and it looks really, really nice. So do y'all see that? I think it looks good. So I had decided, now this one has a hole in the bottom. So even if I put a tray or a piece of cork at the bottom to hold the water, it won't come dry, falling down. That's what this one was doing. So I have spray paint left over for this one. And I told y'all, this is cement, and it was broken. So as you can see, it has like cracks in it and things like that. So I came up with an idea. I'm putting this outside on the deck. I'm gonna spray it over with my leftover spray, and I'll probably go over that chair one more time. I'm gonna spray this over. I'm gonna get me some white impatience, because I told you, black and white is the thing that I'm going for. So I'm gonna get some impatience, and I'm gonna put this on top of, if you guys remember, I had that flower rack that was black that I got from, I think it was from, what's the name of that store? I always, Habitat for Humanity. And it was like $3. It was like a wrought iron stand. I ended up taking it out the bathroom, put it in the garage, but I'm gonna use that on the deck this year for probably, I'm gonna put this on there, and then I'm probably gonna add some type of canister for the citronella candle or whatever, and add rocks to it. If I find something like that to put together, I'll probably show you guys. But yeah, that's my thing today. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this, put this on the deck for now so it can dry, and then I'm gonna add these today in the back. So yeah, guys, just stick around and see what I do today. Okay, hope you all are having an amazing, amazing Sunday. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this up, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. This one has to be stained. Pretty sure the dividers, the bigger ones are down here. So it is kind of mid-century modern, and they want, I'm trying to turn them down, but we're gonna see if I want it. You went on and got it. Oh gosh. Yeah, I'm so tired, I don't know what to do. I'm for real. I'm exhausted. I said I'm exhausted. See you guys tomorrow, okay?